Greetings. I'm Brandon Frame, Senior Director of Social Emotional Learning at the Urban Assembly, and I'm on a mission to see SEL Nation in action. And I'm here in Harlem, New York, to see high-quality social emotional learning in action at the Urban Assembly School for Global Commerce. So let's go inside and see high-quality social emotional learning in action, because SEL Nation is real. Principal Biz!
Hey, what's going on, my brother?
How you doing?
Good to see you, man. Yes,
absolutely.
Good to see you, man.
Listen, I've been on this journey to create or find and see SEL Nation. I believe that there's schools all over the country, districts all over the country prioritizing the social, emotional, academic development of young people. And I heard through the grapevine that here in Harlem, at the Urban Assembly School for Global Commerce, I was gonna find what I'm looking for.
Well, you're in the right place. You're in Harlem, and you know, as they say in Harlem, we keep it real. And SEL for us is real. It's real in the workplace, it's real at home, it's real in the classrooms, it's real in the hallways. So you're about to see some real SEL work here at Global Commerce.
Okay, today, can we go around the school and hear from students, hear from faculty, hear from you around like how you're prioritizing this work around social emotional learning?
Not only are you gonna see it, but you're gonna see it in real action, real live, real stuff here that's going on in Global Commerce and with our students.
Let's go see SEL Nation right here in Harlem.
Journey here really started with a school that didn't have all the things in place and really assessing to see what we needed. We really started with relationship building.
Well, I champion social emotional learning because it's the tools that our young adults need and also us as adults need.
Because as a student who grew up in New York City, a lot of these skills weren't taught to me as a child. And so when I went away to college, I had to learn a lot of them through trial and error.
It's the gluiness of a good class.
They're the ones, as their brains are developing, they're the most receptive to learning these skills.
The social emotional skill that I'm currently working on right now is
self-management, personal responsibility, communication.
In my classroom on the day-to-day, I often pair students up with students they haven't worked with before.
And so that helped us to start building relationships where we started to learn a little bit more about each other.
It helped me learn a lot because social emotional skills, you use them on a daily in school.
So SEL assessments are a really great way for us to develop a deeper understanding of our students and the skills that they come with.
Students need to feel like they're making progress. They can start to see their growth. So it's a checkpoint for them with something that is not as easily immediate to see.
I really appreciate an SEL evaluation that looks at how others see somebody and how they see themselves.
Oh, I love my advisory class. My advisory is amazing.
My advisory experience is very chill, very nice.
Everybody's like very nice, everybody knows how to socialize.
My teacher has taught me about having responsibility for myself, being mentally aware with myself.
We've tried to do group check-ins, and then sometimes in terms of trying to build that social awareness and that relationship skills, we need to break it back down to one-on-one check-ins.
Choosing what to react with. It's a big, I teach my advisory is freshmen. It's a really tough skill developmentally at that point where they're making that decision.
But the idea is that we always sort of establish where we are in our day, emotionally speaking, before we move on to try to do anything else.
You'll see it when we have community events, when students have to really know about their self-awareness and social awareness. And you'll see it in our job fairs.
I'm the guy who organizes the intramural cup at the school, right, which is a very, very competitive tournament.
The way that we have incorporated SEL through the intramural cup is the grades will go against each other, and it'll show a little bit of competition, but they also have very much self-awareness.
Intramural, I feel like you use relationship skills because you have to communicate with people with you that you're playing with.
It's really important for us to help kids build that skill of doing things that they might be a little uncomfortable with.
SEL just helps you be more prepared for the future.
A lot of people in my community are so used to being in survival mode.
It would translate all throughout life. It's just a very worthwhile skill to learn.
I feel like this is something that every school should have because it does have a really big impact on everyone.
One student I want to thank is, her name is Zarita.
Her name is Umukaba.
Let's go with Omari.
Manuela, Savannah, Avian.
Jaden, I was able to really connect.
Zarita wrote me a teacher's note. It was a teacher's appreciation note.
My SEL superpower, I really just try to be very open and honest with the students and be vulnerable with them.
Relationship skills is my biggest superpower through many avenues. I come from New York City Board of Education. I was a student there, I taught there, and I'm a principal there. It helps me relate a lot more to the students.